Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create your links on Adsterra and how to share your links. So this is my dashboard, and if you've been following this channel, the last video I uploaded under this playlist shows you how you can successfully create your Adsterra for Publisher platform, and how they walk through what you need to do in order for you to be rapidly, or let me say speedily, approved. So in this Adsterra 002, what I'm going to be teaching you today is how to create your links and share to generate revenue. So this second video, which is the Adsterra 002, is meant for those that doesn't have a website, those that plan to share their links either through WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, and any other social platform. Let me chip in this before I proceed with this video. In case you are watching this video on YouTube, just know that there are still some secret steps I won't fully expose on YouTube here, unless you click on my affiliate link in the description of this video, so that there it will take you to the landing page where you can buy the full course on how to make the money on Adsterra. And by then I can be able to show you some secrets on where to generate a massive income, a passive traffic that will click on the link, and how to set up a link that will generate a very high revenue, that will give you a very high CPC. Because if you come to your statistics here, these are things you're going to be seeing. So this is, and you can see we have nothing yet, but by the time we create our first link, we are going to have something to show on the statistic tab. So for those that plan to share on WhatsApp and other social media, just follow this step and it's really going to be helpful. So the first thing you're going to do is to click on this direct link, and it will take you to this direct link page. All right, so let's follow the procedure here. Monetize any traffic with link. 1, create direct link. Click green direct link button below to start. Set your link category, and if needed, remove campaign with unwanted ads. 2, put the link anywhere. A post on Facebook, just like I told you, if you're planning to, you can share it on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, any social media that you are familiar with. A post on Facebook button, image, everywhere your visitor will be able to click on the link. That's anywhere you can, either your WhatsApp group, you can make use of your WhatsApp status, anything. So 3, track and make changes. Track statistics and manage your link settings. Click edit to change your link name or remove ad that you don't want to display. So we're going to follow these 3 simple steps and create the link. So what we're going to do is to click on this create direct link. Okay, and this is the add new direct link. Firstly, you need to define your niche here while creating your links, whether it's something that your direct link category, either adult or non-adult. So what they mean by adult are links that are promoted, maybe some kind of advertiser from adult website, like a porn website, or let me say, or 18 plus website. Those are the ones that are categorized under this adult. And not adult are those that maybe they are promoting their products, their brand, or their website, anything that is not related to adult, or let me say pornography or anything. So what we are going to be creating, if you are going for a direct link, so that you can have a massive click, or maybe a massive engagement, because some things matters when you are sharing your links, like the time spent to navigate through the destination, which is the website they landed on. The time spent also counts, and where your traffic are coming from, it also counts. Okay, in my next video I'm going to be showing you how to share your links to a top tier country, where you get a passive a good click from foreign countries like US and other top tier 1 country. And secondly, I'm going to be teaching you how to get a passive traffic. I want you to know that sharing links on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, people don't like to click links. And take Facebook as an example. Facebook don't love to share external link to grow external link. They don't grow external link willingly. They want you to share a link that will make people remain within their platform, which is Facebook. So any external link, Facebook don't usually promote it. Okay, so tips that we are going to use to promote your link, I'm going to share with you in my next video. I'm going to, in the description of this current video, you are going to see the link you are going to click that will take you to my full course on making money with Adsterra. Okay, so we're going to click on adult content now, adult category. So, and remove campaign with. So this second option, if I click on erotic ads, meaning content, the real content of adult category, I mean adult content won't be included in my ad. Okay, but since I'm choosing adult, I don't think I can be able to exclude it. But even if I'm able to do so, it's still non-logical because I really want people to see erotic ads, which is very related to adult category. Okay, so I can click on add, just click on this ad, and you see your request has been submitted, and you can paste your code once they approve it. You see the request has been granted, and this is it right in pending. Just wait a bit for like maybe 2-3 minutes and refresh your page. Okay, now it's active. Okay, now the ad unit is active. Don't forget you can create as multiple ad links as possible. You can create multiple ad links as possible, and you have no limits in creating links. Okay, so the link is active. You can check the statistics and you can copy the code. Okay, this is going to if you click on copy, you've already copied the code. It has been copied to your clipboard. So if you open another tab and you click on paste, you click enter, this is where it's going to land you into. It's going to open up this website for you and you can navigate through it. But let me tell you one thing, do not click on your own link. Some people do self-clicking, and I've witnessed a lot of accounts that got banned due to self-clicking. It's not logical for you to click yourself because Adsterra will track the IP and the number of clicks that comes through a single IP. Okay, so it's not logical for you to click on your link by yourself. Okay, so don't even try it. Like if you open another tab and you paste the link, it's going to take you to another website again. You can see this website is different from this website. So that is how the algorithm works. This is taking me to 1xbet, and this is not even loading up here. So if I should click and paste the same code and click on enter, it's still going to take me to another website. You can see this is Ebony Cam Live something. This is what I told you about the links. That's what I told you. So if you are going for the adults, those are the things you should expected in your link, and it's normal since your primary aim here is to make money with it and not to harm anybody. Okay, so in my next video, don't forget that my next video, instead of having Adsterra 003, what you might actually see there is Adsterra 004, because in my Adsterra 003 I'm going to show tricks on how to get traffic on your links. I'm going to show you how to get traffic on your link from top tier 1 countries, and I cannot release that for free on YouTube unless you click on my on the link under this video description that will take you to my affiliate page, where you can purchase the full course on affiliate marketing and making money with Adsterra. That's when you can't have a direct access unless you procure this course. And as for those that really want to know how legit it is, whether this video is a prank or it's not a prank, they just want to be sure that they are not in the wrong place. They want to know how legit it is. I'm going to open my dashboard, my real dashboard on Adsterra now, and you see how much I've earned in my Adsterra account just within, I think, 2 days or so. All right, I'm not using the secret traffic for my the secret traffic. I'm not using it uh for my Adsterra for publisher yet, but which I'm going to start today, and I'm going to expose the result in my next video. Okay, so if I should open my let me open my Chrome tab now, and this is my Adsterra dashboard. Okay, I have $7.68 just since, I think, 3 days now, and today one is still just counting. So in my next video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that by the time I release the next video, you are going to get notified. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to check your statistics regularly so that you can know how well your links are performing. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and God bless you as you share with friends.